Hermes unboxing. One bag in here, actually, I flew to Paris to get. It's gonna be a long one. Grab a coffee, grab a soda, get ready. We're doing an Hermes unboxing. Finally. No, the first day of Christmas, the second day of Christmas, the third day of Christmas, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12. The 12 days of Christmas. Finally doing my Hermes Christmas haul unboxing. Well, this is 11 and this is technically 12 because this is Hermes.com and there's 3 things in here. Stick with me. Some of these I got for myself. Some of these I got in Europe, and actually one of them, there's a few bags. I'm finally doing this unboxing. There's a few bags. I know it's late beyond Christmas, but we're unboxing them now. And a few of them I've already opened and I'm, whatever, have used. But bags, I know it's late beyond Christmas, but we're unboxing them now. And a few of them I've already opened and I'm, whatever, have used. But there's a few bags, because I bought it online, Hermes.com in Paris, and had to go pick it up. I had 21 days to pick it up. So I flew to Paris to go pick it up. So wait for that one. And then the last one, the bottom one, is a blue box limited edition bag. So stick with me, okay? Hermes haul unboxing. These are Twillies. We know they're already on the bag, so. This is what I flew to Paris for. So we'll start with something fun, because it's impossible to get in the US. And my friend got it actually, Hermes.com in the US, and I got it Hermes.com Paris. Price difference, ridiculous. So this is something I kind of only wanted because my friend got, and I saw it, and it's actually really cute in person. And I mean, you can, if you tell from, it's a bag, it's a mini bag, if you can tell from the box. I wish it was a mini Kelly. I think it's the right size for mini Kelly. Actually, it's probably too small for mini Kelly, but I think you know what it is if you know what it is. There's something so magical just about opening these. I know it's material things and whatever, but like just opening them and feeling it, and it's like a high. I am a shopaholic. I do have a problem, I swear. But Hermes.com Paris, if you do want to get it, you can get stuff there. You just have 21 days basically to fly out. And once it's, you buy it and have it shipped to the store, because you have to have either a Paris address, and this works for any country, Paris address, or you can have it shipped to the store, collect to the store. Once it gets to the store, you have 21 days to pick it up. You can ask for an extension. I asked for an extension and I got an extra 10 days or something like that. It was like around Thanksgiving. So, so this is the Constance Slim wallet in the color, I think Gris Pale, maybe? Gris Pale. It's a light white with gold hardware. It's got a belt loop in the back, so you can wear it as a belt bag. You can also, thread a strap through it, or thread a strap through here and make it a little small, whatever bag, or as a clutch, or as a wallet to go in your other things. Price, this was 2,400 euros. I know, high, but then you get the VAT back. You have to have them return it and then rebuy it in the store, so you can get the VAT back, because otherwise you can't get the VAT back from Hermes.com. So 2,400 minus the VAT, so it was like 22 maybe. And then my friend got the same one in the US. It was 29 or something plus tax. So it was like 32 or 33. So 33 versus 22 is like $1,100 difference. Okay, so there's that. And then it's got this little removable pouch, gold hardware, and then it's got 2 pockets inside. And I mean, you guys, this, I know, it's very bougie. Okay. But if you're here, you're watching this, that's what it's going to be. So let's go on. I don't even know what my time is already. Wow, I'm already at 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to have to, this is going to have to be in parts, I guess.